Right, here we go. Now, what we have is the following table shows the size of in hectares of 20 farms in a particular area. Note that 15 to 45 means that 15 is included, but 45 is not, and so forth. So to get the mid-interval values, the first thing you gotta do is add 15 plus 45, you get 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Okay. And 45 plus 75 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. 75 plus 105 is 180. 180 divided by 2 is 90. And then you get the gist. It's gone up. Which one's this one? 150. It was going up 30s, but then it jumped up to 150 at the end. These are what are known as the middle of the interval values. We're now going to find the mean. So the first one's 30, second one's 240, third one is 180, and fifth one is 1,050 to my knowledge. What do all them add to give you? And we're going to divide our answer by 20. Oh, sorry, 720. I felt 720 for that part there. And what do we get? 102 is the average, is it? Yeah. 102. The area amount in hectares is a continuous variable. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? It's a continuous variable because it's measured. Does that make sense? It's a measurement. It might not be you can't say it's 80 hectares exactly. It could be 79.9, it could be 80.1, something like that. Unless it's rounded off, it's continuous data. Okay? All right, let's move on to question 9. Okay. You did a survey about how long people are traveling to work. Is this primary or secondary data? Because you did the survey, isn't that correct? Is the data discrete or continuous? Continuous, because if you said you took 5 minutes, you didn't take 5 minutes exactly. Could be 4 minutes 59 seconds, or it could be 5 minutes 1 second, something like that. Yeah, I underline continuous there, so it's definitely continuous. Yes. No, if I read about it, it's secondary. Primary is when you do the research yourself. Okay. Now. Survey 100. No, it's you're pretending you're working on the results. So these are the results, and you're pretending it's your work. Okay? Yeah. Not to them know what this. Okay. Next thing, mid-interval values. 15, 30. What's that? 80 divided by 2. 40, this one, 50, and then the next one, 60. Okay. 65, is it? Oh, man, I'm losing it. Oh, it's 65, yeah. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to need you to multiply that out for me. 15 times 12, anybody? 3 times 18? 540. 40 times 33? Good job. 50 times 23. 65 times 14. 910. And once when we add all them up, and we got to divide by 100, don't we? And what do you get? 21's the average. 41's the average. Who's the modal class, the most common answer? 35 to 45. What is the greatest number of people who could have spent more than 60 minutes traveling to work? So more than 60 minutes would be, let's assume all 14 people were over 60. That would be the maximum. Would you agree with that? Let's pretend they were all over 60, so 14 people. What is the greatest number of people who could have spent less than 30 minutes traveling to work? Let's assume that all 18 people are below 30, and then 18 plus 12, 30 people. All right, you guys? Okay, I think we're pretty much done now.